Hello students, welcome to Sir's classes. Let us discuss something from bioorganic chemistry. Identify the species those obey the 18 electron rule from the following. Identify the species those obey the 18 electron rule from the following. CrCuCO, CpMnCO2, CpCrCO3, CpVCO4. Now you have the options here 4, A and B, B and C, C and D, and A and D. What are the species that obey 8 electron rule? So let's discuss them one by one. In case of cpCuCO, the EAN for the complex is the EAN for the complex is 5 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 18. In case of CpMnCO2, the EAN for the complex is 5 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 16. In case of CpCrCO3, CO3, the EN for the complex is five plus 6 is equal to 17. And for in case of CpVCO4, the EN will be EN for the complex will be 5 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 18. Hence the complexes which obey are so complexes which obey the 18 electron rule will be this one and this one. So this is your A and this is your D. So D. So the rule will be A and D. So options will be your D. Your option D is the correct option. Option D is correct. The number of metal bonds in CO2, Fe2, CO11, mu H ppH2 is what? Mu 4 ppH whole 2 is what? 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of metal bonds in CO2, Fe2, CO11, mu 4 ppH whole 2 is how many? 3, 4, 5 or 6. So let mm let the metal metal bonds present in the given complex, bonds present in the given complex Br, Bx, okay. Each member bond will contribute 2 electrons. Each will contribute 2 electrons. Applying EAN rule, to the complex we have 9 into 2 plus 8 into 2 plus 2 into 11 plus 4 into 2. And plus 2 small x is equal to 18 into 4. Now, or so 2x is equal to 72 minus 64, or 2x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 4. So number of metal-metal bonds will be 4. So hence the number of metal-metal bonds present in the complex metal-metal bonds present in the complex is 4. Correct answer is B. Hence, correct answer is B. The number of skeletal atoms present in the compounds C2B3H5, C2B4H6 and B5H9 are respectively how much? So the number of skeletal electrons. He is talking about he wants to know the number of skeletal electrons. The number of skeletal electrons present in the compound C2B3H5, C2B4H6 and BH are respectively how many? So the answer is in case of C2B3H5, total electron count is TEC is equal to 4 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 5, and that is 22 in case of C2B3H5. Polyhedron electron count, that is called polyhedron electron count, will be polyhedron electron count, that is PEC is equal to 2 into 5, and that is equal to 10. Hence the total skeletal electrons we need. Hence total skeletal electrons present will be TEC minus PEC. TEC minus PEC, that is 22 minus 10 is equal to 11. In case of C2B4, H6, total electron count is TEC, and that is equal to 4 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 into 6, and that makes it 26. Now polyhedron electron count. That is your PEC. 2 into 6, that is 12. Number of skeletal electrons present will be present. (26 minus 12 is equal to 14). In case of B5 H9, total electron count will be total that is your TEC 3 into 5 plus 1 into 9, and that is equal to 24. Polyhedral electron count. Polyhedron electron count, that is PEC. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Hence the number of skeletal electron is equal to 24 minus 10, and that is 14. In this case also 14, here also B4, B5, and the case of previous case also. So the question was, in the number of skeletal electrons present in are how much? So the correct option is 12, 14 and 14, because I got 12 for the first case. I got 12 for the first case. For the first case 12, not 11. 12 for the first case. Then the second case was 14. The second case 14, and the third case also 14. So 12, 14, 14. So our correct option will be B. This is your correct option, B. Correct, 12, 14, 14. Amongst the following, the group that is not bound by the metal ion in the coenzyme BE12 is what? Amongst the following, the group that is not bound to the metal ion coenzyme B12 is which one? So the metal ion present in coenzyme B12, the solution is The metal ion present in coenzyme B12 is cobalt. The groups which are bounded to it are and deoxyadenosine. Hence, a group that is not bound to the metal ion in coenzyme B12 that is not bound to metal ion in coenzyme B12 is adenosine. Hence, correct answer is C, adenosyl. Let me repeat the question answer. Among the following group that is not bound to the metal ion coenzyme B12 is with methyl cyanide adenosyl hydroxyl. Amongst the following the group that is not bound to the metal ion coenzyme B12 is methyl cyanide adenosyl. The metal ion present in coenzyme B12 is cobalt. These groups which are bounded to it are the groups which are OH, CN, Me and deoxyadenosine. Hence, group that is not bound to the metal ion in coenzyme B12 is adenosyl. Hence, the correct answer is C, adenosyl. CpMoCl2O2 obeys the 18 electron rule. The correct structure of this compound, atomic number of MO is equal to 42. CpMoCl2 obeys the 18 electron rule. This obeys the 18 electron rule. CpM obeys the 18 electron. The correct structure of this compound is whose atomic number is MO is equal to 42. The Cpa is 18. The correct structure of this compound, atomic number MO is equal to 42. So, what is the correct structure? Atomic number MO is equal to 42. So, we have this question in front of us. Let us discuss. It obeys the 18 electron rule. The correct structure of this compound is what? And the solution is bridging minus Cl ligand is a 3 electron donor. Each cyclopentadienyl Cp ring is 5 electrons, donor. Each MO bond will provide 2 electrons. Each will provide 2 electrons. Hence, In case 1, let us go and see. This is the case 1, this is 2, this is the 3, and this is your 4. These are 4 cases, you know. So let's go and discuss one by one. Oh, sure, sorry. In case 1, hence in case 1, EAN for each MO is for each MO is 6 plus 1 into 15 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, and that makes it 16 electron. Then in case of 2, EAN for each MO is 6 plus 1 into 15 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1, and that is 14 electron. Now in case of in case of 3, EAN for each MO is 6 plus 1 5 plus 4 3 by 2 plus 1 1, and that is 18 electron, and hence in case of 4, EAN for MO is 6 plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, and that is 16 electron. So hence correct answer is C. Hence correct answer is C. And what is C? We have 14 here, 18 here, 16 here, and the previous case, in the case for the case 1, we have 16 over here. So the question was asked was the correct structure of this compound is number 3. It's number 3. This one is the correct structure of this compound. Now let's go ahead. The video